In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can customize the header area and also the footer area in Elementor. By default, if we want to customize our header or footer area and want to make a new design, that case we need to install Elementor Pro. But in this tutorial, I will show you how you can customize our header area and footer area using a simple free plugin. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first I'm going to our dashboard, then going to plugins and add new plugins. Now here I'm searching for header, footer, and okay, so this is the plugin we are going to install: Elementor header, footer and block template. Now I'm going to install. Now activate. Then I'm going to appearance and header, footer and blocks, and now going to add new. So here we are going to create a custom header area. So here I'm adding the title name to custom header and type of template. So from here we can select which type of template we are going to use. So here template type is header. Also here is options for footer, custom blocks, before footer. So this will be the top of the footer area. So now I'm going to add the header first, and here is display on option. So from here we can select a specific page, specific post, or any custom template page. So now I'm selecting this for entire website. And user role, here is more options. I'm leaving it as default. Then enable layout for Elementor canvas template. We can also enable it for canvas template. I'm leaving it as it is. Now I'm going to publish. Then edit with Elementor. And here is the default Elementor builder area. So from here you can create our header from scratch, or we can start with a default pre-made layout. So here is different kind of pre-made pages, pre-made blocks. Here I am searching header, but here all these are pro. Okay, so I'm going something from scratch. So here I'm taking 2-column area. In the left area I'm taking a logo, so I'm searching for image, and here I'm going to upload our logo for this website, this one, and also here is the link, custom URL. Okay, so here we want to add the custom URL as our home page. So I'm adding the main URL. Okay, and alignment to left and save it. And on the right side, first I'm adding menu. So here is navigation menu and select menu, main menu. Sorry, this is the default one. I'm searching for a different one. Okay, I'm searching for menu. These two are also premium. So navigation menu, yeah, so this one is working fine. I'm just removing this one. This one is also free. Here is also selected the one and only menu which I have created before. Last menu item, we can make it a button for the last one, and enable schema support. And here is the layout. So here we can make the alignment to right. So here is much more option. We can try all these option. Then here is some responsive option. Here is also menu icon for mobile menu, and then here is style tab, and here in the bottom area here is the button. So here is background. By default this is the green color, but we can change the button background color. we can make it to any color. And now we can also style the font for the menu. So from here is the text color. We can change the text color to a different one. And here is the typography. We can make it to Montserrat. We can make it to uppercase. We can make it to 400, and we can also decrease the font size to 14 or 12. Yeah, it looks good. And from here we can make it vertically aligned to middle, so it's now vertically centered align. And for this logo area, from here also we can decrease the logo size, so we can change the logo width from here. Okay, and I think we can decrease the column width for the logo, and right side is okay. And also for the top area we can also add a new section for header top, and here we can take another 2 column area, and in the left side we can add some phone number, email, and on the right side we can add some social link. So for this time we can change the background color from this section edit, and going to style tab, going to background, and from here background color type we can change it to this or another one. We can add any black color. Okay, and in the left side we can add some icon list or icon, yeah, I'm using this one. And for the first one we can use any phone number or email address. So from here I'm using a phone icon, and here I'm typing a phone number and going to style tab, and here we can also change the color to white, and we can save it as our global color to white color. And also for the text color we can also change it to white. And here if we want to add a link with this phone number, for example, just copy the phone number and here call to, so when someone click on this number it will redirect to this phone call. And for the right side I'm going to add some social icon link, so I'm searching for social, and here's some social icon, so we can make it to right align. And here style tab, so here we can also change the icon color. So now this is official color, we can make it to custom. Primary color we can make it to something else, we can make it to white, or we can make it off. We can make it to transparent, so now you can see only the white icon. And also the size of the icon we can make it to more smaller, and also the spacing between the icon. And from here we can also add the Facebook link from here, and also Twitter link from here, and YouTube link. And if we want to add more social link, so we need to add from here. For example, here I'm searching for LinkedIn, and here is the LinkedIn icon. And if we want to add our LinkedIn profile URL, so we can add our link in here. Now I'm going to save it, And here if we want to decrease the spacing between the section top and bottom, so going to this section, edit section, going to layout, and here is the column gap, making it to no gap, and for this column going to vertical align to middle. Okay, so now this looks minimal and it's removing the extra spacing. Now I'm going to save it. Now if we refresh our main page, we can see our header area is completely changed. So here is more flexibility. We can also change the top bar area color. We can add more icon, more options. So here, for example, if we want to a mail address beside this phone, so for that I'm just going to duplicate this column, going to duplicate and just decrease the spacing between these two columns, and from here we can change the icon to mail. So we can use this icon, and here I'm using a mail address and copy it, and here we can use the link to mail to and change the phone number to our email address and save it. Now we refresh our home page and you can see our email address also added beside the phone number. And now I'm going to also customize a footer area. So in the similar way, I'm going again to dashboard, again going to appearance and header, footer and blocks, then going to add new. Here is footer and type of template, this will be the footer, and by default it will show for all pages. I'm making all others as it is and going to publish. Now edit with Elementor. So in the similar way, for footer area we can also create any custom area. So for this time I'm going to create something more simple. So here I'm taking a 2-column structure, and in the left side we can add a copyright text. So here I'm taking the text module, I'm just taking some dummy text, and on the right side we can take some social. You can make the alignment to right, and for the footer area we can also change the background color to any dark color or any color as we want. I'm just making it so quickly so you can understand how you can do this. So for the social icon we can change the size, and we can also make the custom color, primary color, we can make it to transparent in the similar way as before. So I'm making it to transparent, and the secondary color we can make it to white, it's already in white, and we can also increase the size little bit, and also spacing between the icon. And for the left side we can make the text to white, and here we can also going to the column edit, going to vertical align to middle, and also here I'm going to the vertical align to middle, and finally I'm going here and going to advanced tab and margin bottom. So I'm making the margin bottom to -20, or yeah, 25 is good. Okay, so I'm making it very simple. We can also add more section or more style with our footer. So I'm just making a basic structure for now. So if I refresh my page now, So here something maybe I missed from the settings. So here I am going to the exit to dashboard, and from here we have to select the display on entire website and update now. And if we now refresh the page again, yeah, now we can see our footer is working. So in the similar way, we can customize our header footer with our own style, our own choice. Hope this tutorial will help you. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Otherwise, you may not find this kind of valuable tutorial next time. And if you are new here, like to see my more upcoming videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you and welcome to my next tutorial.